Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening the App Store and installing a reputable password manager. This is the single way we'll proceed. Once installed, launch the app and create a strong master password because it secures everything. Use a long, unique phrase. Next, enable Face ID or your iPhone passcode inside app settings to unlock quickly and protect against theft. Finally, make sure iCloud Sync is enabled if you want automatic backups and cross-device access. This avoids manual exports and lost credentials. Once done with setup, start importing credentials. Use the app's browser extension or iPhone share sheet to save logins as you sign in. As you add entries, organize them into folders or tags like email, banking, and work so retrieval is instant. Make sure to enable the built-in password generator, then replace any weak passwords with generated ones to raise overall security. Also, configure autofill in settings so the manager fills credentials automatically in Safari and apps. To finish, test autofill. Open Safari and a separate app, then tap a login field to confirm the manager suggests credentials. This proves integration is active. Next, enable two-factor authentication on key accounts and store recovery codes in the manager's secure notes so you can recover access. If something goes wrong, sync failing, missing items, sign out of iCloud and sign back in, ensure a stable network, and check the app's permissions. This usually resolves most sync or autofill issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.